Now it's my turn.
Ready.
Arrogant.
He has gotten 40 plus 47, which means 87. And Carlos, how many do you have?
108.
No. I believe you only have about 28. So to win, you need to do at least 60. 3, 2, 1, go.
No, that doesn't count.
No, looks like Carlos has lost. Aw, poor Carlos. That sucks. Alright, man. Bye-bye. Action.
Hello and good afternoon or morning. My name is Eric Perez and I'm here to talk about phosphorus. I have a friend here that is questioning what phosphorus is. Now, do you have any questions for me, friend?
Yeah, what is phosphorus, first of all?
Phosphorus is actually a very soft and silvery element. But it is, in its purest form, it is clear and waxy. Yes.
So you say it's an element, right?
Yes.
So don't elements have something to do with the periodic table or something?
Yes. They do.
Does it have like a special place on the periodic table?
What was that question again? I didn't hear you.
So it's part of the periodic table. Does it have like its own place or something?
Yes, it does. It is actually a non-metal.
Meaning
that it is not malleable and cannot be constructed into something else, which would mostly at the time would be constructed to wire. It does not produce electricity very well. Actually, electricity would pretty much assist it in combusting, because you see, phosphorus is very combustible. Oxygen itself could clearly just cause it to spontaneously combust and cause a fury ball of fire.
I have a question. What does combust mean?
Combust means to just instantly explode into flames.
So
in this case.
So you're saying if you take phosphorus and all you have to do is put in oxygen and you have an instant bomb.
Pretty much, yes. You take it out of the safe. Most of the time it's stored in oil or water, handled with forceps. If you take it out of that area, a large enough portion of this phosphorus could create a, a bomb.
Have people ever used phosphorus in a bomb?
Sadly, yes. There's a news story quite a while ago about Gaza being bombed, and just to make it clear that actually, even though it combusts and stuff, it actually has melting points and boiling points. Its melting point is 44.1 Celsius, because we do not use Fahrenheit. Its boiling point, why not?
Why don't you use Celsius? Or Fahrenheit?
Mr. Patrick likes to use specific details.
I see.
Yeah, so its boiling point is actually 280 degrees Celsius. And believe it or not, there are different forms of phosphorus. Phosphorus is actually classified as a allotropes, which means it is actually it can form different elements from one single element, such as coal.
Stop it. Alright, just keep going.
Such as coal can turn into a diamond or carbon. And this white phosphorus can turn into red phosphorus, yellow phosphorus, white phosphorus. It's pure elemental form of phosphorus, black or violet phosphorus. And they all produce pretty much the same thing. An example of what is made of red phosphorus, or any phosphorus, is the tip of a match, which you strike upon something that causes it to light fire. That is red phosphorus.
But phosphorus, that just combusts with just touching the air. So if you basically, all you have to do is just hold a match in the air and it will light. That's not my experience.
No. See, red phosphorus, it is actually the vapors of the phosphorus itself. So, do you get it at it?
No.
Well, the phosphorus, as it could steam in its own self without having any oxygen. So if you just put it in a room with no oxygen, it would start steaming, and the steaming that collects at the top would actually form its own little substance. That is the red phosphorus. They capture that red phosphorus and move it into a different storage thing, and they eventually turn it into a powder, and with that they turn it onto the tip of a match.
I think I get it now. Okay,
Yes.
cool.
Well, also, its phosphorus chemical symbol is P. P for phosphorus. Its weight is 30.973762. That is amazingly light. It was discovered by Henning Brand in 1669 in Germany. Any more questions? Did I mention? Oh, I'm sorry. Continue.
The periodic table, I just think it would, I don't know for sure, but I think it would be divided up into many different, like, sections, like left, middle, right?
Oh,
Where is
yes.
Yes.
Phosphorus could be located in the upper right hand of the periodic table. If my assistant could please find his planner and show him, take it out.
Of course.
Phosphorus. Give a little pause. Oh, thank you, assistant. Ah, yes, here it is. There it is. Phosphorus. Excuse my organizing. It's right there. If you can see that, a little closer. Look, a little closer again. Yes. Well, according to this, phosphorus is named phosphorus. Enough of that. Oops. Let's show my paper. Its chemical formula, is 3s2 3p3. I don't want to say I don't know, but I'm not familiar with those terms. While handling phosphorus, it burns your skin if you have any contact with it. Also, phosphorus is very, very lethal, and 50 milligrams of this substance could kill you.
How big is 50 milligrams?
How big is 50 milligrams? My assistant to come here and to find something of assistance.
The junkie. It's recording.
Ah, yes. Thank you. Well, 50 milligrams is about that big. Not very big.
So you're saying a little pill, only this big,
Yes, that big.
can kill you if it was made of
Yes.
phosphorus?
Yes.
That's whack. I'm sorry.
That is. But more than likely, it wouldn't be in any substance of this. Because if it were to be right now phosphorus, I'd have my hands burning, since it is very combustible.
I see.
Yeah.
So, anything else you have to say about phosphorus?
Other besides the fact that it burns skin, it's used in weapons, it's a horrible thing to have. It actually has its many good uses. Plenty of them, actually. Fertilizers, pesticides, indicaries for our military, and also the smoke used in the smoke generated by this phosphorus could be used in smoke bombs, which our military uses.